Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be another skincare review video. I will be reviewing a product which is very hyped and very famous, and I'm going to reveal the product now. It's none other than this Pixi Glow Tonic, and it's a cult product from Pixi. And I think it's hyped for some really good reasons. So I'm going to be talking in detail about this product, what this product is actually about, what it actually does, how it works on the skin, what are its main ingredients, and how I use it, and most importantly how my experience with this has been. So this is 100 ml, which priced at 1400 rupees. So if you guys are interested in knowing all these details, then please continue watching. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also please press the bell icon. And now let's get started. So guys, I'm going to start with the first and very important thing, what it actually is. Like, why is it so high? What this product is all about. So this toner from Pixi is an exfoliating toner, and the reason is that the main hero ingredient in this toner is glycolic acid. Now glycolic acid is a form of AHA, which is called alpha hydroxy acid, which is a form of chemical exfoliant, which makes this an exfoliating toner, which sort of helps in removing all the dead skin cells, all the gunk, makeup residue from the skin. Now because this product has 5% of glycolic acid, which is a very high concentration, which makes it a potent product, hence it's not a regular toner. It cannot be used in your every skincare product. It cannot be used like your regular toners, and that's what makes it different. That's why it's very famous and very unique. So I'm going to tell you what are the ingredients and why it's an exfoliating toner. So guys, before I talk about glycolic acid, AHA and BHA, so let me just give you some crisp details about what are the physical exfoliants and what are the chemical exfoliants and how they actually function. So physical exfoliants are those traditional form exfoliants, are the hard form of exfoliants like scrubs, which are infused with granules of apricot and walnut, which are sort of hard substances which we scrub on our face to remove the dead skin layers. And then there are these chemical exfoliants, which are made of these chemical substances like AHA and BHA. So AHAs are the alpha hydroxy acid, which are water soluble, which sort of works on the top surface of the skin, which exfoliates the dead layer on the skin surface. And then there are these beta hydroxy acid, which are called BHA, which are oil soluble, which sort of works into the deepest layer of the skin and pores. AHA and BHA can be found in form of a cleanser, in form of a toner, or a face mask as well. So you can apply these and just, you can use them as a peel off mask to sort of remove all sort of dirt, gunk, impurities, and the dead skin from your surface, and also the makeup residue. So basically AHAs can be used to just simply exfoliate your skin, but BHAs can be used especially for acne prone and oily skin, and also the skin who suffer a lot of blackheads. It sort of helps in removing all them from the deepest layer of the skin and give you a very healthy and glowing skin. So now that you are aware about the physical and chemical exfoliants like AHA and BHA, this toner has glycolic acid, which is a form of AHA, which is a alpha hydroxy acid, water soluble, which sort of works on the skin surface. It exfoliates the top layer of the skin. This toner is an exfoliating toner. It is not used to sort of just minimize your pores or just make you hydrate. It sort of works as an exfoliating agent. So apart from glycolic acid, it is also infused with aloe vera gel and ginseng extracts. So aloe vera is obviously, has the property of hydrating and calming down the skin, and ginseng is basically to improve the circulation and also energizes your skin, which makes your skin bright and also sort of give you a very fresh and healthy skin. This particular toner is fit for all skin types. If you have dry skin, if you have normal skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, every single person can work around it. But if you have active acne on your skin, or if you have sensitive skin, you should definitely patch test this first, because it has fragrance in it. And if you are someone who's allergic to fragrance, or if you have super sensitive skin, then you might as well love to stay away from it, because if fragrance causes irritation on your skin, this is not gonna help you because it has fragrance. And if you still want to try it out, you can definitely patch test it first, and if it still works on your skin, then it's good for you. And if you're someone who's having active acne, then I would highly recommend you to not use during that time. You should stay away from this toner when you are having active acne or breakouts on your skin, because it will trigger them and will cause more inflammation on your skin. So if you're facing active acne, stay away from it. But still, if you have acne prone skin and you are not having active acne at that moment in your skin, you can still work out, because it helps in healing the scars, reducing the appearance of those scars, and the acne blemishes and the dark spots. It definitely works on that because I have been testing it on my skin. It works on my fresh acne scars or the marks or the spots that I get, but it doesn't work on the very old scars which are older than a year, I would say. If you think that it will work on your 5-year or 3-year old scars, it will not gonna work on that. It will only work on your fresh scars or acne spots. So if you have such acne scars or acne spots which are very fresh, you can definitely use this. It might be helpful for you as well. So now coming on to the procedure of how to use this particular product. So like I said, it's not any regular toner that you can use to sort of hydrate your skin or maintain the pH balance of your skin or sort of try to minimize your pores by using this. It's not gonna work like that. You cannot use it regularly because it is a very potent product. It has 5%, which is actually a very high concentration of glycolic acid. So you cannot literally use it every single day. You should use it like I basically use it just twice a week. So if you're a beginner with chemical exfoliation, then you can probably just start by using this product. So you can just use it thrice or twice a week, and make sure you are not using it consecutively. You should give a gap of at least 2 days in between of your usage. So like I said, I use it twice a week and it's basically a part of my nighttime skincare routine. I never use it during my daytime skincare because when I use this product, it definitely causes like a needle, like you're pinching a needle on your face. It definitely gives you that kind of sensation, which is very mild though. But yes, it means it's sort of working on your skin and it's exfoliating the dead skin layer, and you have a very fresh skin layer right after you use this. So you should definitely give your skin a good time to sort of heal and rejuvenate and revive. So that's why I use it during nighttime skincare routine. And also yes, the another reason which is very important that I don't use it during my daytime skincare routine is because I don't like to go out in sun exposure right after I used it, because my skin becomes very sensitive. I get a fresh layer of skin and I don't want to have any kind of pigmentation problem or any kind of sunburn or suntan at that time. So just to protect my skin and give my skin enough time to sort of heal and revive and rejuvenate, I always use it during my nighttime skincare routine, and that's how I would like to recommend it. So never use it daily, never use it consecutively, and never use it during the daytime. So this is what I would definitely suggest. Another tip which is really important and I don't want to miss that at any cost is that whenever you are using this particular product, make sure you do not mix it with another active ingredient like vitamin C, because it's a very potent product and you have to be very careful that you cannot combine it with any other active ingredient which it doesn't collaborate with. If you are using a lot of active ingredients, you will not be able to see how this perform, and it will also kind of give you some sort of reaction on your face, and you can see a lot of redness, dry patches, or maybe some acne or breakout situation. So in order to avoid all of this, definitely be very careful what are you mixing with this product. So when you use this, make sure you are using any moisturizer or any serum which goes pretty well with this. And now coming on to the directions to use, I just take 2 to 3 drops on my cotton pad. I never use it on my fingertips because firstly it leads to a lot of wastage of the product, and second of all it doesn't work that great when you're using your fingers, because like I said, it's not any regular toner. So when you're using it, it's an exfoliating toner, so you need to dab your cotton pad around your face very gently, and you just need to use around 2 to 3 drops. Don't go overdose with it. Excessive use of anything can always harm your skin, will not give you any better results. So always be very careful, be very cautious while you're using any kind of exfoliating agent on your skin. Please don't go over the board with this, because the excessive use can lead to bumpiness on your skin. It can create some textures. It can also lead to dry patches. So to stay away from all of that, you need to be very gentle and very careful with the dosage that you are using. So I'm going to just quickly list down all the tips to use this so that you are using it correctly. So first of all, use it only twice a week. Don't overuse it. Second of all, always include it in a part of your nighttime skincare routine. Third, always make sure not to mix any active ingredient with this. So whatever you are using, make sure that you know how you can mix that ingredient well with this particular product. And now most importantly, just take 2 to 3 drops on the cotton pad, gently dab it on your face, and you're good to go. So now coming on to the very important part, which is my experience about this product and how I felt, and how this worked on my skin. So basically I've been using this product for more than 2 months now, and you can see I have just consumed this much quantity, and I just simply use it twice a week, and just during my nighttime skincare routine. I don't overdose or overuse it. So I've been using it, and what I can see is, first of all, it gives a very bright and very soft skin. Right at the first usage, I felt my skin, I obviously felt that very tingling sort of a sensation on my skin, but after that my skin felt very fresh, very bright and very soft, and also free from those bumpy textures. And I always feel that right after I use it, my skin looks very bright, very clean, and very fresh. Like I feel very fresh from within, like my skin feels very fresh. And even if I have any bumpy texture on my skin, like if I'm having whiteheads or blackheads, it definitely work on that. My skin feels very even, very smooth, and I've seen it on my acne spots. Like I don't have a lot of scars, but I do have a lot of acne spots. So on my acne spots, it definitely sort of heal them. It reduces their appearance. It doesn't simply vanish those spots, but yes, it sort of helps in reducing their appearance. It's always work gradually on your skin. It's not gonna give you result on the very first day or like very first week, and you will have to very carefully notice how it's performing on your skin. So definitely one thing that I really like about this product is that it definitely reduces the acne spots on my skin, which is one of my biggest concerns, because I have acne prone skin, and so whenever I get breakout or acne problem, I always face a lot of acne spots and marks right after them. This has been very helpful to sort of reduce the appearance of spots and acne scars, and that's the brilliant part that I like about it. It exfoliates the skin, remove all the dead skin and the gunk and impurities from your face, and it also sort of reduces the appearance of acne spots and scars. So actually I've really enjoyed this particular product for past 2 months, because it has dealt my major concern, which is acne spot, and it has definitely helped me in reducing the appearance of that acne spot, which I've absolutely enjoyed. So yes, my experience has been really wonderful with this particular product. I did not felt any kind of burning sensation or any red patches or any kind of dryness or bumpiness on my skin, because I've used it very cautiously and very carefully. So I would really suggest you to be very careful when you are using any kind of potent product. So yep, it has worked brilliantly on my skin. Very importantly, it worked on my acne spots. Like I'm highlighting this fact because it actually worked brilliantly on my acne spots. So you can definitely go ahead and try it out. So this is the smaller bottle. This is just for 100 ml, like I said, and it's priced for 1400. You can definitely check it out and try it on your skin, and give it at least 2 to 3 months to sort of see how it works on your skin. And I hope you will also have great things to say about it, and I hope this will also give you better results. So yes, if you're someone who's looking for great exfoliating agent, and if you're someone who's looking out to start with chemical exfoliation, then I would recommend you to start with this one, because it's a good toner to begin with. It's not a actual peeling solution, because they are really highly potent product as well. So you can take your baby step and start with this particular product. Like I'm a beginner in my chemical exfoliation journey, and I've just started using this. So by far I'm very carefully using it, and it's working on my skin. And yes, and the fact that it has fragrance, it doesn't affect my skin in any way. It doesn't create any sensitivity or any allergies to my skin, so I'm good to go with that particular part. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys liked the review and you got some tiny bit of information about this particular product. If you're looking forward to try it out, I would definitely recommend or suggest you to go ahead and try this one out. It's a good product, and I think it's hyped for some great reasons, which I absolutely agree to, and I absolutely enjoy using it and the kind of difference it makes to my skin. So I hope you guys like the video. If so, then please give a thumbs up to my video. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the another video. If you have any kind of suggestion or any feedback, if you want me to film any kind of video, please mention that in the comment section. I would love to work on that. I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care. Bye.